Welcome! I'm going to show you how to edit the chalkboard onesie mockup in Pixlr. So first go to pixlr.com in any web browser. That's pixlr.com, and it'll give you a couple options. So you want to click on Playful Pixlr X, and then on the left side here where it says Open Image, click on that. And then we're going to find the JPEG of the onesie mockup. And it's going to ask us, what size we want to use. So go the original max size. Alright, now we need to place our graphic. So to do that, look at the icons on the left hand side, the bottom one that says Add Image. When you hover over it, click on that. And then it'll give you a few options for finding the image. If it's on your computer, like mine is, click Browse. And then find your graphic and click Choose. And it's going to ask you if you want to create a new document or add it to the current document. So we'll click Add Current. Alright, and right now it's a little big. You might need to resize it. So to do that, hold down the Shift key and then click in any of the four corners and just drag in to size it down or out to size it up. And then to move it in place, when you hover over it, you'll see this icon with four arrows. Once you see that, click on the graphic and then just drag it in place. And then when you hover over this little circle at the top, you're going to see this little hand icon. Once you see that, you can click and kind of drag to the left to rotate it. And once it's placed, you're done. You can go to the bottom and click Save. And it'll give you a few file types that you can save it as. If you want to use it as a thumbnail, like on Etsy, you'll want to save it as a JPEG. I changed the quality to 100. Make sure it's on high and then click Download. And it's just going to let you know that it was saved to the default download folder on your device. It'll even let you change where you save the files. And if you want, you can go and click Save Again and select a PXD file, which is the default Pixlr document. And you can download that too. And then once again, it's just going to let you know that it was saved to the default download folder on your device, and it'll give you an option to change that. And then once you've done all that, you're done. Please let me know if you have any questions by visiting melissabmockups.com and messaging me. And thank you. Have a great evening.